Unfamiliar aircraft. You know what? You may utilize the term unfamiliar when in a new airspace or airport. This alerts the air traffic service to the fact that you may not be ready to receive abbreviated, complex or fast-paced information. So the air traffic service will try to offer you direct or uncomplicated routing and will be prepared to pay particular attention to you and to your safety. Example:
Tower helicopter photo to Sierra Mike Lima, inbound from the south to land, unfamiliar with the area.
Now let's listen to the control tower.
Helicopter photo to Sierra Mike Lima, empty Mount Tower, Robert, Estimative photo to Sierra Mike Lima.
Is the end of this video. I'm done with unfamiliar aircraft. Have some question? Ask me in comment section. I will reply all your questions. See you later.